Huh. Are you ready for your death by a rubber band? Oh, look at them, they are trembling. Ha! Draw your guns! Assalamualaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome to more video reviews. Not RC videos, but something made of wood. Well, it should be on woodworking channel as well, which I can do it. You know I'm doing woodworking these days. This Justice Guard Corsac M60. Well, we'll bring the spirit of Wild West for your kids and will keep you and your kids entertained while you build it. Now, this is not just laser cut balsa parts to build this Justice Guard Corsac M60 revolver, but it also is a fully functional rubber band shooter. You can load and shoot rubber bands up to 5 meters with this Corsac M60. Let's bring the camera closer, unbox this one, see what's inside the box, and we'll start the build right away because I can't wait to see how it shoots rubber bands. So this is really more than a puzzle. Okay, so these are the puzzle toys that you can build. Laser cut balsa. Here's the Justice Guard Corsac M60 user manual. It shows how you have to build it. So here are the laser cut parts. The numbers are mentioned. You also have got some targets here, some soldiers and stuff. Sanding paper. There's a sandpaper here as well, should you want to sand some parts to fit properly. We have a white box, and inside, yes, as I expected, we have a lot of rubber bands. Check this out, the gun is ready. It is absolutely a very nice build. It was very easy to build. Every part just fixes. Very little I had to use that little sandpaper. Most of the parts are just fitting easily, and even forcing them in, they just go in right. Just in case if you break any part, they do have some of the spares still, like mostly these little parts might break or get loose, something like this. So they did give spares, spare parts, so that if you break, you will have spare parts to put them in. Overall, I'm really happy with the quality. I mean, check this out. The mechanism works really nice. It was easy. The only thing is that they forgot to send me the wax, so a candle actually did the job, and it was really easy to build once again. Now, let's bring the rubber bands. Our targets are ready, so I'm just gonna put them here. Give it a try right here. It can load 6 rubber bands, that is ammunition. Okay, so let's load 6 rubber bands. These are our bullets, and you just have to put it here and rotate this until you hear a click. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, the tension is getting really high. 6. Keep the gun here and shoot by cocking the chamber. Oh, nice. Uh-oh, I missed that guy. I got him. I got this one too. And I'm really good. Now, I'm gonna go a little farther. So, here we go. Aim. I can't aim if I keep looking from the viewfinder of the camera, but nonetheless, here we go. Okay, I saw the rubber almost on that guy right there. So I'm gonna go a little closer now. Yes, that is good enough. Missed both soldiers. Why I'm so bad at it. Uh-oh, missed the third one. He's lucky. And oh, I got that guy, but he just got scratched. He's not dead yet. And oh, I got the rubber almost in his neck. And the last one, here comes. Yeah, I got that guy as well. Well, I didn't kill them. They are lucky. They might have some kind of, lucky charm. They didn't die. But hey, it shoots from this far. This is awesome. And one more thing, don't forget, you still have a little compartment here. A good mechanism right here, like you're loading a magazine. Normally these guns, they didn't load from here. These guns, they open the chamber from here and you pull the bullets in and click in and rotate, then cock the hammer and fire it. So this is this. Let's bring in the kids and see what they say about it. So Hadi Ali is here and he wants to know how this operates. What you need to do is take a rubber band, put it here, okay, and put it all the way on this one, like this, here, and then push it inside, like when you hear a click, okay? Now you load. No, don't shoot now, load more bullets. You can do 6 bullets. Take 1 rubber band. Okay, very good. And push it in. Very nice. You learn very quick, mashallah. Number 3. Okay. How many rubber bands?
3.
This is number 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 4. Good. Number 5. Nope. From front. Yes. Okay. And the last one, number 6. Run away. Okay, you just take another one, it's fine. I was like, right. Okay, and push it down. Okay, no need to push this down. Oh, fine, no problem. Now, you have to first cock this one back and then shoot. That's too close. The guy already trembling with fear. So, yeah, just here. It's fine. Try. Okay, load again. No, load all the way back. Yes, good. Now try. Okay, you missed it. Try again. You missed him again. They are all wearing Lucky Charms. You missed them again. They are really wearing Lucky Charms. Get one. Oh, all right, the last bullet here. Okay, those are really, they are wearing Lucky Charms, right? You cannot hit them. Anyway, you have to practice more and then you can hit them. So try again. Ooh. Flew again. This time he's gonna get these soldiers. Almost there. Almost there. Hold on, let me help you. Like this. And shoot. Yeah, you got one. Right, awesome. Oh, you hit him. You did hit him. But yeah, he's wearing a lucky charm. You're out of bullets. Load again. 1. Look how fast he can shoot now. 2, 3, 4. Oh, you got one guy. 5. Oh, you shot all 6? Wow, that was fast. Okay, Arish is back and he needs to learn how to load this gun. So, hold the gun. Okay. Put the rubber band here. Okay. And come to this and leave it here. Okay. And then push it down until you hear a click. Then load another. You can load 6 rubber bands. Good. Push it down. That's number 2. That's number 3. Push it down. How many?
4.
Okay.
5.
Just load and shoot. Load and shoot. Load again. Shoot. Missed it. Missed it. Oh, you got one. Awesome. You got one. Try again. This was your very first try, so try again. 1, 2, 3, go. No more bullets. So I was gonna shoot 6 rubber bands, then Hadi will shoot 6 rubber bands, and we'll see how many soldiers they have put down. Ready? Go. 0, 1, 0, 1, sorry. 2. Okay, Hadi, your turn. Now it's Hadi's turn, and let's see in 6 rubber bands how many soldiers Hadi will put down. Ready?
Go.
1, awesome. 2. Oh, almost got it. Oh, almost got it. Right, both of you did 2 soldiers, right? So Arish gonna shoot 6 rubbers in my face. Huh. Are you ready for your death by a rubber band? Oh, look at them, they are trembling. The soldiers are trembling. Ha! Draw your guns! Oh, you already loaded. 1. Oh, I missed it. I got one. No, I got another one. Ah, I got 2 of them. Let's see how fast I can shoot. Okay? Draw. That was fast. I can actually practice to be faster than this. Now Hadi is going to show us how fast he can shoot. Okay? Go ahead. Ready? And shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. That was fast, right? Come on. You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?